Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make a shoe for a baby girl and a baby boy for 0 to 3 months. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First of all, I will take 12 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now skip 3 and in the fourth make 2 double crochet in same stitch. Now make 1 double crochet in 8 stitches. Make double crochet in 8 stitches. Now I did my 8 double crochet. So in the last one I will make 6 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Pull the yarn. Now on this side I will make 8 double crochet as I did before. Eight double crochet. I did my 8 double crochet. Now in the last stitch I'll make 3 double crochet. And now in the third chain make slip stitch. This is my first row. Now in second chain 1, in the next make single crochet, in the next make 2 single crochet, in the next 2 single crochet. Now make 1, 2, 3 single crochet, and in the next make half double crochet, and in the next 3 make double crochet. And in the next 6 stitches make double crochet in the same stitch. Make 2 double crochet in the next 6 stitches. Now we will have 12 double crochet. Now I made 12 double crochet. So in the next make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. In the next stitch make half double crochet and make 3 single crochet. Now make 2 single crochet in the next, 2 single crochet in the next, and 2 single crochet in the next. And now make a slip stitch. Now this is my second row. Chain 2, in the same stitch make half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in the next, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in the next. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In 9 stitches make half double crochet. 1, 2. Now make 2 half double crochet in the next stitch and 1 half double crochet in the next. In the next 2 make 2 half double crochet. Now it will be the set of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make it for 6 times. Now I made a set of 1, 2, 1, 2 for 6 times. Now I will do my half double crochet for 9 times. Now I have 1 2 3 4 stitches. Now I will do my 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. 1 2 1 half double crochet in the next for 2 time, and next 1 time, next 2 time, and next 1 time, and make slip stitch. This is my shoulder is ready. Now I will do chain 1 and make a slip stitch in the from the back side like this all around. See, slip stitch from the back side all around. See you then. Now I finished my slip stitch all around till to this end. Now I count from the middle. This line is the middle of my shoe. I count from this side to this side 8 stitches and 8 stitches and put a mark on the same on the both sides. Now I will cut the yarn. Now I will start from this side from the marker, stitch marker, remove it, insert the hook, now chain 1 and make single crochet in the same stitch and make single crochet in all stitches at last when you hit the second stitch marker. So do it to the next stitch marker, single crochet all around. Now I reach to my second stitch marker. I will remove it and make my last single crochet. Excuse me, my throat is very bad throat. So again chain 1 and make single crochet in the same stitch, and now make single crochet all around. When you reach in the middle of the shoe from the back side, decrease 1. So do it single crochet in all stitches. Now I am here in the middle of the shoe. Now I will decrease, insert hook, pull, again in the next insert hook and pull it through. Now make single crochet till to the end. Now again chain 1, turn your work and do single crochet when you reach to the decrease point, then decrease once again, sorry. Now this is my decrease point. Once again I will decrease and make till to the end. Now again chain 1 and make single crochet come to the end where I decrease my second and do it again. 1, 2, and now finished it. Now my the upper part is finished here. Now I will join it together, but it is not looking good. So I will make some row here from this side to this side. So chain 1, chain 3, insert a hook. Now make 3 chain and make a double crochet for 2 times and treble crochet. Turn 2 times from the hook, pull it from 2, pull it from 2 and pull it from 3. 2 treble crochet, then 2 double crochet and make 1, 2, 3 chain, insert hook and make a slip stitch. Now again 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 2 treble crochet, 1, 2, 2 double crochet and 3 chain and slip stitch and cut it little bit longer. Make it tight to squeeze the hole. Now turn it through the bow, turn it from the bow, now see, it look very beautiful for both boy and girl, and I hope you will like the shoe. So please like and subscribe my channel. I will see you then in next video inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.